Am I the only one that didn't know fermented foods can boost your mood? Well, they can. It's fascinating how something as simple as the food we eat can have such a profound impact on our mental well-being. Fermented foods have been around for centuries, cherished in various cultures for their unique flavors and health benefits. But did you know that these foods can actually make you feel happier? Let's dive into the world of fermented foods and uncover the secrets behind their mood-boosting powers. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha aren't just tasty, they're tiny mood-boosting miracles. These foods undergo a process called fermentation, where natural bacteria feed on the sugar and starch in the food, creating lactic acid. This process not only preserves the food, but also creates beneficial enzymes, B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and various strains of probiotics. These probiotics are the key players in boosting your mood. These foods are packed with probiotics, good bacteria that keep your gut happy. But what exactly are probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide numerous health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. They are often referred to as good or friendly bacteria because they help maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad, and keeping a healthy balance is crucial for overall health. And a happy gut means a happier you. The gut-brain connection is a fascinating area of research. Your gut and brain are connected through a network of neurons, chemicals, and hormones, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. This connection means that the health of your gut can directly impact your mood and mental health. When your gut is happy and healthy, it sends positive signals to your brain, making you feel happier and more relaxed. Studies show that probiotics help lower inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response by your body to protect itself from harm, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. Probiotics help reduce inflammation by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. This balance helps keep your immune system in check and reduces the risk of chronic inflammation. Less inflammation equals less pain and a clearer mind. When your body is free from chronic inflammation, you're less likely to experience pain and discomfort. This can lead to a clearer mind and better mental clarity. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed, pain-free, and ready to take on the world. That's the power of a healthy gut and a balanced microbiome. Plus, they produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. It's often referred to as the feel-good hormone because it contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. Interestingly, about 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut. Probiotics help increase the production of serotonin, leading to improved mood and overall mental health. So, next time you're feeling blue, grab some sauerkraut or miso soup. These fermented foods are not only delicious, but also packed with probiotics that can help lift your spirits. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is rich in fiber, vitamins, and probiotics. Miso soup, a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans, is another excellent source of probiotics. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to boost your mood. Incorporating these into your diet is super easy. You don't need to make drastic changes to your eating habits to enjoy the benefits of fermented foods. Start by adding a few fermented items to your meals and snacks. For example, you can add a spoonful of sauerkraut to your salad, enjoy a cup of yogurt with your breakfast, or sip on some kombucha as a refreshing beverage. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are immense. Add some kefir to your smoothie or toss some pickles on your sandwich. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that's packed with probiotics, protein, and calcium. It has a tangy taste that pairs well with fruits and vegetables in smoothies. Pickles, made from fermented cucumbers, are another tasty and convenient way to add probiotics to your diet. They add a delightful crunch and tangy flavor to sandwiches, burgers, and salads. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Not only will you enjoy the delicious flavors of fermented foods, but your body will also reap the health benefits. Improved digestion, better mood, and enhanced immune function are just a few of the positive effects you can expect. Your taste buds will be delighted by the unique and complex flavors, and your body will feel the difference. So, what are you waiting for? There's no better time to start incorporating fermented foods into your diet. Whether you're looking to improve your mood, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy some delicious and nutritious foods, fermented foods have got you covered. Take the first step towards a healthier and happier you by exploring the world of fermentation. Start munching on those fermented goodies and feel the difference. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start to notice the positive effects. From improved digestion to a brighter mood, the benefits of fermented foods are truly remarkable. Make it a habit to include a variety of fermented foods in your daily diet and experience the transformation for yourself. Got a favorite fermented food? There are so many to choose from, each with its own unique flavor and health benefits. Whether it's tangy sauerkraut, spicy kimchi, creamy yogurt, or fizzy kombucha, there's a fermented food out there for everyone. Experiment with different types and find your favorites. You might even discover some new and exciting flavors along the way. Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with fermented foods. Share your favorite recipes, tips, and stories with our community. Your insights could inspire others to start their own journey towards better health and happiness through fermented foods. And don't forget to hit that like button. Stay healthy, stay happy. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content on health and wellness. By liking and sharing this video, you're helping spread the word about the amazing benefits of fermented foods. Together, we can create a healthier and happier world, one fermented bite at a time.